Hello, welcome to Shelvington. My name's Andy. This is my model railway in a garage. In today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase, which is a set of 5 Accurascale wagons. These are, there we go, what are they called? They are Tippler Wagons. Can you see? I'm going to info. There we go. So these are the box. Absolutely incredible weight and feel to them. So let's get them unboxed and get them on the layout. Now, as with all Accurascale models, the attention to detail is incredible. So we get a little pack, tells you how to fit the flashing tail light. This is an outer pack of wagons. So it's our instructions, and here we go. Let's have a look. It's got the detailing pack not fitted, that's okay. Let's get one out. Oh, they've got loads in as well. Nice. A loose load, that's okay. So there we go. The detailing on these is incredible. Now, I do already own a couple of these sets. So what we'll do, we'll get these coupled up onto the back. Okay, here we go. So I've put the new British Steel Accurascale wagons on. I've just kind of mixed them up with my existing rake. It's been pulled by my 66789 loco, so I'll hit go now, and this train is super impressive. So there we go, the British Steel Tippler wagon from Accurascale. Absolutely wonderful models. So I've now got a rake of 15 of these, and it looks super impressive going around the layout. So we'll leave it there for today anyway. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my recent subscribers. I know I've said it on every video, but I genuinely do mean thank you. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up icon. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel to grow. So thank you. Until next time, stay safe, look after yourselves. Cheers. Bye bye.